Welcome to the New England Colonies by Elizabeth and Angela.
The climate was very cold, so jackets will be needed. There's a lot of snow, which is super fun.
Types of jobs in the New England colonies are blacksmith and barrel makers.
All the colonies are here: Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Rhode Island. Which one will you choose? It's very easy to socialize here in New England. They voted and held town meetings. New England's interdependence would be like trading fish from New England for livestock from the Mid-Atlantic, or tobacco from southern colonies.
Some specialization jobs are naval supplies, fishing, and shipbuilding. Artisans taught teens how to do that specific job too. The geography was very rocky and cold, not so great for farming, but great for fishing. We hope you visit soon.